If you still think flying cars are nothing more than science fiction sketches collecting dust on a Hollywood shelf, you could not be more wrong. The real revolution is exploding right now, and 2026 may become the historic turning point when the sky is no longer reserved for commercial aircraft. We are standing at the edge of a geopolitical and technological shift where ultra-fast personal vehicles could redefine borders, distance, and mobility itself. Is the world ready for a future where traffic jams exist only as memories on the ground? Number 1. LEO Flight Jetbike. This is not just a flying vehicle. It looks like something ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. Developed in Indiana, this flying motorcycle breaks traditional aviation rules by not requiring a pilot's license under certain ultralight classifications. Instead of giant exposed rotors, it uses dozens of small electric ducted fans distributed across the frame. That creates smoother lift, better balance, and far more control. Its speed is limited to 60 miles per hour, with a cruising altitude around 15 feet to comply with ultralight regulations. That means it is built for accessible low-altitude personal flight, not just elite aviation. One of its most impressive features is the solid-state battery system, allowing charging right at home. It is also compact enough to fit inside a standard garage. This is what personal flight looks like when it becomes real. Number 2. Alto Volo Sigma. While many eVTOL aircraft struggle with limited range, the Sigma answers that problem with a powerful hybrid propulsion system. This 3-seat aircraft uses electric power for vertical takeoff and landing, then liquid fuel for long-distance cruise flight. The numbers are stunning. It offers a range of up to 510 miles. Top speed reaches 290 miles per hour at 10,000 feet. That puts it closer to a private aircraft than a city air taxi. Even more impressive, it operates about 80% quieter than a traditional helicopter. That makes it ideal for rooftop departures, luxury yachts, or urban centers where noise restrictions matter. Sigma could become a strategic tool for connecting remote regions without building billion-dollar runways. Now, the real question is yours. If you could own one today, would you choose the LEO Flight Jetbike or the Alto Volo Sigma? Drop your answer in the comments below. Number 3. EHang EH216S. China is making it clear that it does not plan to fall behind the United States in the flying vehicle race. And EHang is one of its strongest cards. The EH216S became one of the world's first autonomous passenger eVTOL aircraft to receive full aviation safety certification. That is a major step from prototype hype to real commercial operations. With 16 independent rotors and an intelligent GNSS navigation system, this aircraft can carry 2 passengers through dense urban areas without a pilot on board. No cockpit, no human controls, just destination input and automated flight. Its top speed reaches around 81 miles per hour, and fast charging capability makes it highly practical for short regional trips. That includes island tourism routes or connections between financial districts. Yet EHang's biggest achievement may be bigger than the aircraft itself. It signals that fully automated transportation infrastructure could dominate before this decade ends. Number 4. Jetson 1. Often called the iPhone of aviation, the Jetson 1 is creating global buzz through one thing: radical simplicity. Its ultralight frame uses aluminum alloy and carbon fiber, giving it a weight closer to a motorcycle than a helicopter. Yet it can fly at speeds up to 63 miles per hour. That is enough to turn backyards into launch pads. Its 4-axis joystick control system works with an onboard flight computer that automatically stabilizes the aircraft. Even someone who has never flown before could learn the basics in minutes. That dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for personal aviation. Safety remains the top priority. Jetson 1 includes a ballistic parachute system that can deploy instantly during an emergency. This may be the first real step toward democratized air travel, where the sky belongs to everyone, not just trained pilots. Number 5. Archer Aviation Midnight. This is the beast of the urban air taxi world, designed to completely change the daily commute. Midnight carries 1 pilot and 4 passengers at speeds up to 150 miles per hour. That means a 1-hour traffic nightmare could become a 10-minute flight. Its biggest breakthrough is the tilt rotor system. That allows a smooth transition from vertical lift to efficient forward flight like an airplane. It combines helicopter flexibility with fixed-wing efficiency. Noise levels are around 45 decibels, roughly comparable to light rainfall. That means it could operate repeatedly inside cities without becoming a public nuisance. With more than 1,500 pre-orders from major partners, Archer is pushing the dream of a global flying taxi network into reality. Number 6. Vertical Aerospace VFEs X4. This aircraft represents Europe's rise in the race for green aviation. The VX4 is designed like a business-class aircraft, featuring a 4-seat premium cabin and sweeping panoramic windows. Luxury and sustainability rarely meet, but this machine is trying to combine both. Powered by 8 high-output electric motors using liquid-cooled battery systems, it can reach speeds of 150 miles per hour with zero in-flight emissions. That means high-speed travel without burning traditional fuel. What truly impresses analysts is its versatility. The VX4 could serve medical emergency missions, executive transport, or rapid cargo delivery. This is not just another aircraft. It is a statement that advanced technology and environmental responsibility can move together. That could open a new era of eco-friendly premium travel. Number 7. Auto Aviation Celera Phantom 3 500. While much of the world focuses on small flying vehicles, auto aviation is targeting a completely different battlefield: private jets. The Phantom 3 500 uses a radical laminar flow aerodynamic design that minimizes drag to extraordinary levels. Less drag means more range, lower cost, and far greater efficiency. According to company claims, it could use around 60% less fuel and reduce emissions by up to 90% compared with similar-sized jets. That would be a major shock to the private aviation industry, but the wildest feature may be inside the cabin. There are no traditional windows. Instead, passengers view the outside world through ultra-high-definition screens, streaming live footage from external cameras. That improves structural strength, while creating a futuristic panoramic experience for up to 9 passengers. This could redefine what luxury flight looks like. Number 8. Pivotal Helix. The Helix is the next evolution of the legendary Blackfly project, bringing pilot-light personal flight to the United States. With a weight of just 348 pounds, it fits within key ultralight regulatory categories, making access far easier than traditional aircraft. That means fewer barriers and faster entry for ordinary buyers. Its unique tilted wing structure removes many complex moving mechanical parts. Fewer components often means greater reliability and lower maintenance costs. Users can also manage flight planning and system checks through a smartphone app before takeoff. That turns preparation into something closer to using a car than owning an airplane. The Helix represents pure freedom. Imagine launching from your backyard and soaring above vast natural landscapes with a 270-degree view. For many people, this is the closest thing yet to personal flight becoming everyday reality. Number 9. TCAT Tech E20. Coming out of Shanghai, the E20 is proof that China is building a complete eVTOL ecosystem from hardware to software. This is not just one aircraft. It is part of a larger national strategy. The 5-seat aircraft uses a distributed propulsion system, allowing it to remain controllable even if several motors fail. That level of redundancy is critical for public trust. With speeds of around 199 miles per hour and a range near 124 miles, the E20 is built for more than downtown hops. It is targeting connections between major cities and surrounding satellite communities. Inside, the cockpit features a clean, minimalist cabin with dual digital displays. The experience feels closer to sitting inside a futuristic electric car than a traditional aircraft. Because the E20 completed crewed test flights earlier than expected, pressure is rising fast on Western competitors. Number 10. Bellwether Industries. Volar, completely different from oversized drone-style aircraft. The Volar looks more like a futuristic supercar than a flying machine. Its propulsion system is fully hidden inside the body, creating a sleek shape with no exposed rotors. That changes everything about how people perceive flying vehicles. Using a lifting body design, the Volar generates aerodynamic lift from its own shape during high-speed flight. That allows speeds of around 137 miles per hour. Few aircraft are being designed to blend into city architecture this naturally. Instead of looking bulky or intimidating, the Volar appears elegant, refined, and almost inevitable. It does not just solve transportation problems. It reimagines the skyline itself. One day, urban air corridors could be filled with vehicles like this, transforming the visual identity of major cities around the world. If projects like these become fully commercialized and widely available, our world could change forever. Travel would no longer depend on overcrowded highways. Real estate values could be redefined once distance stops being a barrier. The numbers we explored today, speed, range, autonomy, are more than engineering specs. They are signals that a new world order may be forming above our heads. So, in this intense race, where does your country stand? Would you give up the traditional four-wheel car for your own personal aircraft? Leave your thoughts below, because the future is arriving faster than most people think.